Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're ready to take charge of your money, stick around because these tips can set you on the path to financial freedom. Let's get started. Tip number one is to create a budget. First up, create a budget. Know exactly how much you're earning, spending, and saving every month. Tools like app or even a pen and paper can help you track your expenses and avoid overspending. Tip number two, save before you spend. Here is the golden rule: pay yourself first. Set aside a percentage of your income for savings as soon as you get paid. Start small, and 10% is a great beginning. Tip number 3, avoid debt early. Debt can be a trap. Avoid credit card overspending and unnecessary loans. If you have debt, focus on paying it off quickly, starting with the ones that have highest interest rate. Tip number 4, start an emergency fund. Debt can be a Life is full of surprises. Build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Trust me, future will thank you for this. Tip number 5, learn the power of compounding. Begin investing early. Even small amounts grow over time. Thanks to compounding, explore options like mutual funds or index funds to make your money work for you. Educate tip number 6, it's educate yourself continuously. Finance is not a rocket science, but it does take effort to learn. Read books, watch videos like this one, or follow trusted financial experts to keep growing your knowledge. Remember, building good financial habits today can transform your future. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in the next one.